Hi guys, today's video is about showing a kind of light that I recently purchased. So this is a battery operated light and it's very small but very bright. At this moment this looks like that it's going to do its job and it's pretty efficient. And this kind of lighting is going to be very useful while working outside in the evening or in the night when there is no additional light sources. And if you're into videography or stuff like that, and you need to have a decent amount of light to make a good video, then this light is going to be very useful. And even sometimes, if you have the car lights on it or any other light sources, it generally hampers the viewing of a very dark object. So this light with its backlit turned towards you is going to be useful with this kind of a lighting. In the studio this can be quite useful, especially if I'm trying to make a video or doing some drawing or painting, and suddenly the natural light is dim and my studio lighting maybe not enough, then I can use this for some purpose, or maybe some areas that need more focus, then I can just turn it on and it can be very useful. Since this is a clip-on light, this can stay in its place, and this I have seen is very sturdy, this particular the support, because the light itself is not very heavy. It's just LED, but it can be adjusted. Only trouble is that this light only produces cool light and it cannot be turned into warm or balanced like that. It can just be dimmed. So let me just show you the light itself. It's going to be very bright. This is quite sufficient when I am turning it on, and it can be dimmed, and this is the lowest I think, and this is when it's turned off. So let's just use it on my push-out boxes, because I may choose to take this almost all the time, especially when I'm out in the evening. Okay, so this is how it can be clipped or mounted, and lid is here. Let me just turn it on, and this is way too much light. I don't think I'll ever work in that sort of a brightness. I think it's more or less natural, and I can even adjust this, and if it is too glaring and there are many sparkles of oil paint, I can just lift it up and it can work pretty nicely. So if there is any shadow, I can adjust the lid a little, maybe like this. So it depends on the situation, and I can see my palette quite comfortably. I can mix my paint and paint it here and see it quite clearly. The dark side is turned towards me, so my viewing is not going to be hampered by the light itself, and it can be further dimmed. So this is also nice if I'm painting outside in the night and very little light source is needed. And this can also be used in the studio just like this, and if I just keep it like this, and it can stay here, and I can choose to just paint something, and it can just stay here, and I can choose to draw something. This is just water and ink. So this lighting is quite useful, and this is not particular brand that I'm talking about. You can choose your own product that is available in your area and use this light to the fullest. So if you like this video, then please click the like button and also subscribe. If you choose to look at my other paintings, then go to my website costavinfineart.com. If you have any comments, then please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for your time. Take care.